You spend too much time on fees, and let me explain why. So I've been googling a lot about how to reduce my fees on Bybit, and I see different videos, but right now there is an event that helps you have zero fees on Bybit. So if you want to understand a little bit more about it, just watch the video until the end. I won't waste a second of your time. But basically, in the next 16 days, which is great because right now Bitcoin is an accumulation phase, obviously no financial advice, you can get zero fees in Europe when you use euros. So how do you do that? First off, trade with euro spot trading pairs and enjoy zero fees. So that's USDT, euro, ADA, SO, LTC, and so on. You just gotta register. I also have a lot of bonuses when you sign up using the link in the description down below. New users only unlock zero deposit fees in euro. So new users, what does that mean? If you haven't Bybit account before, to sign up with a new one. That's how you're a new user. And again, there's a lot of bonuses. If you use my link, you're also supporting the channel because it's obviously an affiliate link. But this is how I'm depositing right now. I actually deposit a little bit, and I'll show you in a second. Make your first deposit of at least €100 and enjoy zero fees. Here it is. Event 3, discover our higher APY projects. And here is a little bit more on how the terms are. So basically, I have been depositing from my card, and I think I'll show you in a second. I just deposited 1,000 something dollars and a little bit more, and then just traded the euros for Solana to actually buy meme coins. I think there's a little bit too much personal information there, but yeah, this is how I did it, and I want to share it with you guys so you can learn about it as fast as possible. There's only 16 days left for the event. I'll have the links for the event and how to claim different bonuses from Bybit. All of this will be stacked in the description down below. Love with all my heart. See you next video. Bye.